Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to create system restore point in Windows 10. Type restore point in Windows search bar. Click create a restore point. Make sure system disk protection is on. Click create. Type name of the restore point. Click create. Creating a restore point. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.